Hey, it's Girl with Heart Nya. Today I'm going to be creating a very fun, colorful spring look. I can't wait. It's going to be a super simple, easy tutorial, and let's get into it. So the products I'm going to be working with today are the Justice Holographic Shimmer Stick in the strawberry scent. I thought this was really cool. This is the Shimmer Fruit Punch flavored lip gloss, but in like a lipstick form. How cool is that? Like, that's crazy cool. Okay, next we have the Holographic, we have the Holographic Sparkle Just Shine eyeshadow palette, and it has a bunch of sparkly colors. I can't wait to work with this, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so it comes with a little applicator, and I'm gonna be using that today. Wow, there's so many colors. What do I want to start with? So I'm gonna go in with this middle color right here. There are no names, but I'm just gonna go in with the middle color, and we're gonna apply that. I'm gonna apply that to my brow bone and blend it out with my fingers. Just like that. Ooh, looks really good. Boom. Now, what do I want to do? I want to do something really bright, colorful. We're gonna go in with this hot pink. It's right next to the color we were just using. It's like the brightest color ever. We're gonna go in with that right next to it, and we're gonna put that on the lids. Oh, so it's like glitter on top, but when you like get into it, it's like shimmer, if that makes sense. This reminds me of Easter because it's like a pastel color. That's super cool. Alrighty. This is bright. I'm loving this. I literally love this. Now, what do I want to do? I want to do something with blue. So I'm going to take this bright blue over in the corner. What do I want to do with this though? I think I just want to put this on my outer corner. Just like that. And we can blend it in. Oh, we can wing it out. There we go. Literally, this is so cool. But it's not blue anymore, it's kind of purple, which is okay. And now we're gonna move on to this. This is honestly probably like my favorite. This shimmer stick. Smells so good. Let me put this on my arm first. So like, we could use this as like, we don't have a blush, so let's use this as a blush, and it doubles as a highlighter because it's like a balm. I don't know why I put that on my lips, but it works. Oh, so it's like a tinted balm. Is it a balm? It's a shimmer stick, so we can use it as a blush, and it looks really cool. That's cool, and my cheeks smell good now. Now we're gonna go in with this Shimmer Fruit Punch flavored lip gloss. Okay, so this is a lip gloss. Okay, so it's not in a lipstick form. It's like, it's a lip gloss, but like, it's like a lipstick. How do I explain this? You guys will see it in a second, but gotcha. Well, gotcha. It has this gorgeous gold tint to it. Like literally. Nope. I love this. So this is the finished product. I love it so much. I had so much fun hanging out with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Justice channel for more awesome videos. See you next time. Bye.